Today we are going to learn MCQ questions on natural resources. The course name, that is environmental study. The course code of the subject 22447. The outcome of this topic, from that topic, yes, we have to understand that is select the alternative energy resources for engineering practice. The MCQ set 2.1. Let's know one by one. The first question of the natural resources, that is, in the production of the wave energy, which form of the energy is used? There are four different types of energies given. So out of that, B is a correct option, that is a kinetic energy. Second question, natural gas is a non-renewable energy. Yes, natural gas is a non-renewable energy. Option A is correct, that is true is there. Third questions, the example of renewable resources, the water, coal, gas, petroleums. Out of that, water is a renewable resources. It is obtained by natural process, that is by water cycles. The coal, gas, petroleums are non-renewable resources. Which of the following is a non-renewable resources? The coal is a non-renewable resources. The water, soil, and wildlife all are the natural resources. The natural resources can be replaced in the same rate at which it is consumed, or it is known as a renewable resources. Yes, they are to be replaced at the same rate. Example of non-renewable resources, yes, in this case there is a coal and minerals are the non-renewable resources, and remaining are the renewable resources. The percentage of total water found as a fresh water, that is a 3%. Out of the 3%, I get 2%, that is in the form of the ice cap is there. In the production of the wave energy, which form of the energy used? That is just what to be told. I told that that is a kinetic form of the energies. The study of the ecosystem is called as a ecology according to the definitions. The wind energy is a natural but non-renewable resources. This is first option is there. The word face an energy crisis because of the first option, that is word demand for the energy will be increases. Yes, it is also correct. The word oil production will peak and begin to declines. Yes, it is also correct. The shortage and resulting the escalation of the prices can shock the economics and political order. That's why the D option is correct, all of the above. 12th question, greenhouse gases are those that absorb and emit the infrared radiation. Example include the ozone. Energy is released from the fossil fuels when they are burned. After the burning, yes, there is energy is released in presence of the oxygens. The convention energy refer to the, that is C option, exhaustible energy sources are limited quantity. The timber extracted is done from, yes, by the deforestations. Jungle toding. Carbon dioxide is primarily called as a greenhouse gases because they trap the heat. 17th question, the mixture of the carbon monoxide and hydrogen is called as a synthetic natural gas, that is SNG. The Energy Conservation Act was created in 2001. The tree plantation is the best way to reduce the, that is deforestation. Which of the following pollution free energy resources, that is wind energy, is there? Thank you for watching this video.